So in today's video, I'll show you how you can complete the Linea Park Week 3 campaign. And I also posted that on my Twitter, so if you want, you can follow that also there. So by now, you're supposed to have the Proof of Humanity completed, and it's super easy because right now, if you interacted with 2 previous weeks, you definitely have the activity on Linea to complete this quest. So either passport is pretty hard to get it, but if you have an old wallet, you're probably gonna have above 20 points. If not, Trusta is the way to go. So we'll need to have 1 completed from the group A, and also we need to have 2 completed from group B. So Trusta and Rabbi score is probably the easiest one, and also 0 score. So now let's jump into it. And as you can see, I accumulated 200 points from 2 previous weeks. So now we're gonna click on the first one, which is Dmail. Now we wanna click on begin quest, click continue, and then you wanna open up Dmail. So in here, very simple. Once you're gonna connect your wallet, you'll need to click on compose. Also, just make sure you're online in your mainnet, in your MetaMask. You wanna fill up the email details, like for example, gmail.com, and then just say gm. It doesn't really matter what we're gonna do. Once you have that, you basically want to interact with the contract and send the transaction. So I'm gonna pay 40 cents for that. So click confirm, and now we're gonna get our first quest completed. So you wanna go back, and for this one we're gonna get 25 LXP points. So click on verify. We don't have to do the additional quest because for that we're not gonna receive anything. So just click on skip. Now we got that, click continue, and now we're gonna do the second quest. So continue. So for now the quest number 2 doesn't work for some reason. You can try again later, but essentially what you need to do is to do a swap with the Gamic wallet. So now we're gonna click on the third quest, and here we're gonna mint 1 NFT on Linea. So click continue, and then you want to go to the website. So now you want to connect your wallet to it, and then click on mint this key. Once you're done that, click on continue and verify, and we're going to get 25 points for that. Now we can skip the additional task because there's no points for that, and click continue. So now the next one is bit avatar, and we're going to mint our bit avatar ID. So click on begin, continue. So now open the bit avatar website, and here once you're going to open it, you will need to enter the Linea AP password or the access code. Then you want to click on join campaign. Select your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet you use, and click on next and connect to it. And now once you are connected, you want to scroll down and click on create your avatar. So you want to verify your Twitter first. And now once you create your avatar, you want to click OK. And now we're going to click on mint this avatar. So select the image, and now we will need to confirm the transaction. And now we're going to get the bonus tip, for which one we're going to get 10 LXP points. So now click on check in, and now confirm the another transaction, 26 cents. So now you're going to go back to Linea, and we're going to get, for this one, we're going to get 25 LXP points. So click verify. And the other one we've got bonus, so click verify again. Next up, we're gonna click on skip button, and we got 35 points for that. So next up, you wanna click on read on, another quest, which is 5th right now. So once you open it, click on begin, continue, and then you wanna open up this website, for which one we're gonna get 25 points. Then here, just click somewhere, connect your wallet to the website, connect your Twitter and MetaMask, and you also need to follow them on Twitter. So once you do that, you can click on continue. So now you want to endorse something, so you know, you can do anything that you want. Click on create. You want to be on Linea, so just make sure you select Linea here and click on create. So your MetaMask is going to pop up, and click confirm. So once completed, click on verify, and now we got 25 points for that. So for some reason this time this quest takes forever. So you can go to my Twitter and you can follow it step by step. So essentially we need to enter the code, create a community, invite a bot or a friend, and then you want to click on this button mining gun. So once you're going to click on it, you want to select the assets that you want to fire basically. So you're gonna have this button fire, and that's basically it. So once you're gonna do that, you can go back to Linea and you can click on verify. So next up, you wanna open the free mint Linea theme NFT badge. You wanna click on begin, click continue. And now you want to go and open up the social scan website. So in here, you will need to connect your socials and also your wallet. So click on that, connect our MetaMask. So once you do that, enter any email that you want and click on register. And then you can click on go to social scan, click confirm. And now once you're in here, you want to click on mint the NFT badge. So click on claim now and then confirm the transaction. So once that's completed, you want to click on Linea data scanner. And in here, you will need to follow 5 random wallets. So for example, we can click on this one. And you're gonna click on follow and follow. You wanna go back, and you will need to, for example, scroll down and select any other wallets that you want to follow. So you just need to follow any other 5 random wallets. So once you follow these wallets, click on claim now, and your MetaMask is gonna pop up, and you'll need to confirm the transaction. So these quests are relatively simple, and I think they are really important that you complete them because the LXP points will give you a massive multiplier. On the top of that, your normal activity, your transactions, your volume, your distinct months, and on the top of that, you interact with these contracts where you can claim a ton of LXP points. So once that's completed, go back to social scan, click on verify. So now we're gonna get the normal 10 LXP points for that. And also we're gonna get the bonus 25 LXP points because we follow these 5 random wallets. Now click continue, and for that we got 35 points. So now we completed almost pretty much everything. We didn't complete the last one. And if you completed everything, you probably are supposed to get a 180 points for that for the entire week 3. So definitely try to collect as much different points because they're gonna give you massive multiplier. and based on that, you're gonna get the top level allocation. And if you guys not following me on Twitter, definitely do so, because this is why I update you faster than I make videos on YouTube. Because it takes time, takes research, so sometimes take a couple of hours to when I post the video. And on Twitter, I'm gonna post it ASAP once I got the info. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Comment down below what you think about this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.